Okay, in this next lesson, we're going to be studying a little bit something different. Then we're going to go back to the fields and how they work, but we're going to be studying them along the way with other things. Okay, so right now, let's set up our playground. Need a ball for our playground. Okay, put the ball up a little higher. And let's see what else we need for our playground. We need a box for our playground. Okay, and on the box, I want you to take the vertices and draw them in, making a wedge. Okay, kind of like that. What else do we need for our playground? Well, this is a pretty good design, but let's do something with it. Let's take the faces on both sides of them and extrude them this way, just a little bit. And let's take these two little guys and extrude them up. Like that. Okay, pretty good. We need a board for our playground. My video card's been having some issues with this low poly modeling stuff for some reason, so okay, here's my board. I'm just gonna plan to place this right about there. Okay, so now let's set it up. Let's go into my top view. And also, I need something for this side, I think. So on this side, let's go into polygons, mesh, insert an edge loop, and let's do a few edge loops here. Let's go into edge loop there, edge loop there, edge loop there, edge loop here. And down at this end, let's put an edge loop in. And we'll put an edge loop here. Okay. And here and here. Take these four faces. Take them on both sides. And extrude. Scale. Just like that. Let's go into the top view. Scale these in a little bit. Okay, as you can see, it's just a slight little dent in there. Okay, I'm also going to take this and drag it down just a little bit. So this is a slight little dent. That way, if I put a ball here, it won't roll off too easy. It might still. We might still have to brace it. Okay, so that was it for the lesson. Just setting up the playground. And now what we're going to be doing is using some dynamics to turn it into something else.